Good morning, everyone. I want to encourage you to take advantage of the epic sale on the garden beds. They are up to 40% off. They're beautiful. They come in other colors. This one's more of an off-white cream color. It's very beautiful. And they come in slats, and you just screw them together. You can do them manually or with the guns. They're not hard to put together. They even come with this top part right here, so it's not sharp on you. They are permanent. However, if you're not in your permanent forever home, don't worry. You can take it with you, remove the dirt, leave the dirt there, and just get some friends with you and lift these up. They're not stuck to the ground. They are on top of gopher wire, but they're permanent, but then they're not, if that makes any sense. So these things will last you. It's like one and done, and all you have to worry about is how you want to plant and what you want to grow. Like, I got this trellis. However, next season when I grow tomatoes again, I'm just gonna put a pole that goes up, across, and down, and just do all tomatoes and then string them up, and then do all herbs and everything else. But we're having fun this time around. It's our first time growing tomatoes and cucumbers in this garden setup, so the cucumbers are gonna have fun and maybe drop a little bit low to the ground, but we're just having fun. We are going with it, and that's all that matters. These are our strawberry beds. I put chamomile in the middle. They hold a ton. I mean, like, we have like tons of flowers. We have 11 bell peppers, lettuce. We had 3. I harvested the big one right here, and these just keep growing and growing. And they still have so much space. They still have so much more to grow, like radishes and whatever else. We have a cantaloupe. This is our onion and carrot bed. But let me show you what our beds look like originally. Do you see that stack of wood right there? That was from our garden beds. All wood. They were always wood because I love the charm. At least I thought I did. And then I ended up not liking them because what happens? Weathering happens, rotting happens. These are the more affordable end, not like pennies, the super cheap ones, because these are still good quality. We still spent a couple $100 per bed with wood. And then whatever materials my husband got to hold it together. But I've seen beautiful cedar wood, like dreamy wood garden beds still have to be replaced. And that's expensive. So while I spent a couple $100 per bed, they were probably spending a couple $1,000 per bed. And that's expensive. And then you're disrupting the garden, the soil, and everything else. So I'm super thankful for these beds because they are literally one and done forever. And I just have to plan out what I want to grow, and I don't have to worry about replacing these slats. I don't have to worry about them rotting or being toxic to whatever I'm growing. I don't have to worry about anything at all. And you can grow old with them. You know, we're in our mid-40s right now. We can grow old with them. My husband has a bad back. I don't. I can squat. I can do anything. He can too, but his preference is the taller ones. Kind of like a lower kitchen counter. Again, I mentioned before, like the lower ones are great if you have kids, any age, any height, grandkids. They're like garden introductors. Get them in here, get them planting, let them water with you, harvest with you. So these are great if you have kids and grandkids. If you're older, these are great too. And if you're older too, these are also great because they have these like knee cushion pads that you can kneel on and just get in here. It's really, I mean, look at me. I'm squatting, okay? It's not bad at all. You can grow a ton. my zucchini ended up cascading over, which I kind of love. And we have tomatillo, first tomatillo, greens, more kale, another kale, tomato, flowers, lettuce, more tomatillo. We just have a lot. This thing just grows and grows by one seed. So I highly encourage you to take advantage of the sale. You will not regret it. Not regret it. And they come in other colors. They have like green and I think maybe a blue. I don't remember. I just remember really liking this color, and then they have like a warm green, kind of like a hunter greenish color. But take advantage of the sale. You won't regret it. You'll fall in love, and then you'll probably be figuring out where else can you put these birdie beds at. So go to the link in my bio and have